for the oil, and we're gonna drain it into this pan.
First time ever.
Well, I've had an oil change before in my Grom, but okay.
Oh.
Oh, was that burning your hand?
No.
And it's going.
Cool.
So
That's
we started it up for about a minute. The oil's cool. It looks really dirty, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty black.
Wow. Yeah. My bike was long overdue for an oil change, so here we go. Okay, first timer on ever changing oil, make sure you drain it first before you remove the oil filter, because
There's gonna be a spring behind here, and then there's a gasket.
in what millimeter socket is that?
This is an 8mm. Shout. Like I said, there's a spring behind here. You might lose it if you're not careful. Looks like it
Ooh.
popped right off there.
Where's the spring at? Where?
Here's
So that's the spring you have to be careful with when you take the filter out. That way you don't lose it. It pops right out real easily. Use.
Get that out of there with.
Is that it?
That's it. Look how
See.
dirty that is. Oh, that thing is filthy.
Is it?
Yeah, definitely needs to be.
Wow, that's well overdue.
There's some junk in there. Little sludgies.
Ooh, that's crazy. So we're cleaning the inside where the filter's at before we put the new one in.
Just cleaning the housing out. So you don't over tighten it. And the main thing with these threads is they should thread very easily. If it's fighting you or you have to put a wrench on it to thread it, cross thread it and stop. If you have it hand tight, I should be able to go the whole way with my hands on it, and then just tighten it up a little bit at the end. And
of course we put the new washer on that we bought as well.
We put this on now so it stops dripping on that pipe too. It'll dry off.
Alrighty, so we hand tighten it, that way we didn't cross thread it, and now we're doing a couple cranks.
Just a snug, just like a quarter turn.
That's it. On. We got to torque wrench these two bolts right here. Okay, we're removing the old gasket and we're putting the new one on. The new one has been installed. Now we're on to put
Gasket towards the back. Put a little bit of oil on it, just for lubrication. Just to lubricate it. It goes right on that little nipple in there. Seats in there, and then the spring sits in there.
ooh, in the spring.
Gasket. Just push it down. Just down tight to hold it. Pushing in against that to keep that locked in place.
No kidding.
Yeah, set to.
So we're torquing it at
8.7 foot-pounds.
wow, that's cool.
It's 2.5, 2.3, 3.7, 4, 5, 6, 7,
It beeps.
7.6.
So this
It's
literally
telling you when you're getting close to it.
beeps when it's getting close to the certain torque you need.
7.8, 8.1, 0.1.
Alrighty, we got it. Alright, this is the kind of oil I got, and it takes approximately 1 full quart in your Honda Grom. Exactly 1 quart. Add in the oil, and then we're gonna start this baby up.
Oh, look at how clean that oil looks.
Oh my god. Can you imagine what was in there before? Let's just go back over here. No! Alright guys, so we just changed the oil on the 22 Honda Grom. It's pretty easy if you never changed out oil before, so just watch my step-by-step process on changing out the oil. Sorry. Alright, The oil has been changed. We let it sit for a minute. And now we're gonna get ready to start her up. And I approximately got 2,800 miles on my Grom. It sounds better. I just can't wait to take it for a ride.